While mobile phones have undoubtedly revolutionized communication and made our lives more convenient, there are some potential downsides associated with their use. Here are some reasons why mobile phones could be bad for you. 1. Eye strain and vision problems. Constantly staring at the screen of your mobile phone can cause eye strain and vision problems such as dry eyes, blurred vision, and headaches. 2. Radiation exposure. Mobile phones emit electromagnetic radiation, which can potentially cause harm to human health, including an increased risk of cancer. 3. Distraction and addiction. Constant notifications, alerts, and access to social media and other distractions can lead to a loss of focus, reduced productivity, and even addiction. 4. Poor sleep quality. Exposure to the blue light emitted by mobile phone screens can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle and interfere with the quality of your sleep. 5. Physical pain. Holding your phone for extended periods can cause pain in your neck, shoulders, and wrists, known as text neck or tech neck. 6. Social isolation. Over-reliance on mobile phones can lead to a lack of face-to-face social interaction, which can cause feelings of loneliness and social isolation. 7. Cyberbullying and online harassment. Mobile phones provide a platform for cyberbullying and online harassment, which can cause significant emotional harm and even lead to mental health issues. It's important to note that the extent to which these risks impact individuals varies depending on usage patterns, habits, and other factors. It's always a good idea to practice moderation and take necessary precautions to mitigate potential health concerns related to mobile phone use.